Model, 2016 Renault Trafic CSL27 Sport Energy 1.6 DCI starts runs needs turbo camper day van CONU. Body, black, camper. Mileage, 144930. MOT, the 20th of October 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120 E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Engine starts and idles perfectly straightforward turbo replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, sat-nav, reversing camera, air-con, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.